Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra Montero and today I'm going to navigate you through Buffer. Now Buffer is a free website that you can use to design posts at a certain time for organization, which is very good if you're a social media influencer and expert and you want to develop your social media posts at a time. And it's very good because it's very organized and it allows you to get them out at a certain time. So I'm going to show you how to navigate through it today. As you can see, I have already scheduled posts for today through articles from Feedly. As you can see, I've got them from the Feedly website and they are here. All you have to do is follow the marketer, articles, blogs, etc. Find an article that you like and you can schedule them at a certain time to go to either your Twitter and your LinkedIn. As you can see, I've picked 6 articles for LinkedIn to upload onto my LinkedIn, and I have picked 5 articles from Feedly to go to my Twitter. As you can see, it's extremely organized and you can get a lot of things out at a certain time. As you can see, I've already posted stuff on Twitter at a certain time. As you can see, I posted on the 19th and I tweeted out on Friday, April 20th about my semester at college, and then I posted another link to a Feedly article today at a certain time. You can also edit a time when you want your articles to go out, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. As you can see, this article is going out tomorrow, May 7th at 12:20, but I could change that to make it come out on Tuesday at 1 o'clock p.m. So we're going to do that, and we're going to schedule it. And here you go. So it will be out tomorrow on my Twitter or LinkedIn at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And as you can see, it is very organized and it shows you when every article is going out and what day and what time. And I'm going to show you how to make a post right now just so you can see it. So I'm going to put up to my LinkedIn what I have learned about taking professional development. So I'm going to add that to my LinkedIn now, saying I have learned through professional development how to navigate through my social media platforms and make them professional for the career path that I am going to take. And there we go. I'm going to add it to my queue. And then we can edit it so that it comes out at a certain time. And I'm going to edit it so that it comes out today at, let's say, 11 o'clock tonight. So it will be on my LinkedIn today at 11. And as you can see, it's very organized and very thorough. And as you can see on my Twitter, I posted on April 20th and it did come out at April 20th because I scheduled it on my Buffer to come out Friday, April 20th, as you can see. As you can see, it's very helpful for social media influencers and emerging social media experts in order to stay organized with everything that you upload onto your social media platforms. I've also linked it to my Facebook, the Buffer, so that you can see it did come out April 19th, and I did post about a website that I had made. So I recommend people use Buffer in order to keep up with the organization. It's very helpful and it does keep a lot of things on the path and keep it on track. So thank you all so much for listening, and I will see you next time.